How much money per month is the YouTube channel OnlinePianist making? Well, you'll find out if you watch this video until the end, and the results will absolutely shock you. And that's not clickbait. The OnlinePianist is actually a YouTube channel with over 695,000 subscribers and is one-of-a-kind animated piano tutorial application which enables its users to fully control and design their piano learning experience, but they create a lot of videos around it, a lot of tutorials, and I love how they scale their business. So I'm really interested to make a video like this one because it motivates me. I'm Dr. Niki, I have 3 video editors, we upload over 160 videos per month. We like scaling. Our goal is to take over to make money on YouTube niche. So if you want to help us out, all you gotta do is like the video for the algorithm, and if you're new, also subscribe. So let's dive into OnlinePianist's analytics. How much money per month are they making? So to calculate that, as always, we need 2 things. First, how many views are they getting per month? Second, how much are these views worth, or their RPM. RPM is basically the money you get paid per 1,000 views. If you have a $2 RPM and 100k views on a video, $200 is what you make out of it. So how much money are they getting? 8,100,000 views. That's what they're getting in views. 8,100,000 views. A lot of views. That's like nearly 300k views a day. Look at that. 230k, 266k, up to 388k views per day. But how much money does this equate to? Well, when we go on Social Blade, they're estimating he can be making anywhere from 2k all the way up to 33k per month. But what is a more accurate number? Because 2k is good, 33k is a lot better. What is more accurate? We can see his views here, 8,345,988 according to Social Blade. Let's see the length of the videos to try to determine his RPM for entertainment purposes, right? This is no financial advice, this is just my opinion. So their videos, as you can see here, are like 3-ish minutes long, like mine. They don't actually have mid-roll ads. Wow, I love some of these videos. Can't stop watching them. But my opinion is that they're getting around a $3 RPM. So if that's true, we can divide their views by 1,000, multiply them by 3. In my opinion, they're making 25 grand from ad revenue they have monetization on. And on top of that, right, they have their app, stuff like that, a lot more. Yeah, hopefully this motivates you to start your own YouTube channel in the music niche, because this is the idea. We want to get motivated in the weird times we live in and start a side hustle that we can grow into a full-time income. You can like this video if it helped you out, and you can see more videos just like this one in the playlist right here. Bye.